Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, وقالوا هذه أنعام وحرث حجر لا يطعمها إلا من نشاء بزعمهم وأنعام حرمت ظهورها وأنعام لا يذكرون اسم الله عليها افتراء عليه سيجزيهم بما كانوا يفترون. Translation: And they say, these cattle and these crops are forbidden. No one can eat them except those whom we permit. So they claim imposing restrictions, and they declare certain cattle whose backs are forbidden to burden or yoke, and certain animals on which they do not mention name of Allah while slaughtering. All are invented, fabricated lies against him. He will award them punishment for their false inventions and fabrications. The devils gave the thoughts and waswasa to these mushrikeen who did many things and claimed that these fabricated, invented things were the part of the deen. And one of the things they fabricated and invented was that they would make some food forbidden for women or forbidden for any other one except those who were taking care of the idols. And these rules they made themselves, and these rules they made about some of the crops and some of the animals, and they also made things like some of the animals cannot be ridden and some animals cannot be used for transporting goods. And these animals and these crops they assigned to the idols, and those animals that were assigned to the idols, whenever they get milk out of them or they ride them or they would slaughter them, they would not take the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they would think that if we take name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on these animals that were assigned to the idols, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be included in these animals, which is not right. And the worst thing was that they used to say that these false beliefs and man-made rules are from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, ma'azallah. And they used to do these things thinking that they are doing very high sort of worship and good deed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give them the punishment for these inventions and these lies they fabricated against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and save us from any lies and any fabrication. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.